Ọtụtụ ọma ụmụ ọdịnala Igbo, a sị nka chi tata bụ orie ritere anyị ihe ọma ka ihe ọma merụ nwoke merụ nwaanyị. Aka m bụ onye nke gị Ugochi tubelu Nwa Adama anyị na-akpụ alụ. Ihe nchọ ka nkọwa n'ụbọchị tata bụ ihe dị gboo ndị be anyị ma bụ, mana achọrọ ka nkọwa gịnị bụ ọgwụ n'ọdịnala Igbo. Ọgwụ bụ na this video mma like ka m isie ya obere English, ọ bụrụ na English ka Igbo mma, kama na vidio anyị enwego ọtụtụ ndị our subscribers abụrụ ndị Igbo, ndị na-ayọkwado ka enwe ike na-akarị ha along. So what I'm about to say today is, what is charm? Charm is a negative energy projected against someone or family, and those negative energy will always cast spell upon somebody. Some of this charm is projected and prepared in so many forms. Some of them are prepared with a lot of things. Some, after preparing them, they will put them inside the bottle and cover them and declare that no dibia, or call it called one, whether you are practicing doing your call as a prophet or as a herbalist, that you never see it. Sometimes in Afa, because after doing the work, they cover the work. Some is the ones after preparing them, they use something like oko, what Igbo people call oko, like plate, cover it, and declare that nobody will ever see it. Some is the ones after doing it, they will go to the riverside and bury it. Then some of them, after doing it, they arrange it in a way that even if you do it see it in Afa, that whatever anybody is doing for you will never work, unless the only solution is one, to send back that negative energy and projection the person projected against a family, an individual, in order to draw negative energy to the person. But what you must know is that once they project negative energy against you, against your family, it comes with dark energy. Dark energy will be the one that will cause, as in make it possible for whatever goodies or good work that any person do for you will never come to you, because of that negative energy and projection. Now, even if you feed the chi or do all the needful, the problem remains. So what am I saying? The best solution is one, to do Afa, deeper Afa. Afa, like I said, is too deep, and like I said before, there is many types of Afa. Then there is some certain things that if it's happening in your way, without solving number one, number two will not come to light. So therefore, whenever you are following your spiritualists, don't always be in a hurry, because some of whatever you are passing through today did not start today. So sometimes let me tell you the truth. The truth of the matter is that no single Afa in sitting Afa will tell you everything you need to know in life. And there is some certain work that you must do for deeper things about you to be revealed. Example, there is some certain charm somebody will project against you, and in Afa you will never see it, unless you call down your chi reconcile your chi, and do sacrifice to your chi and entities of power surround your families and in the cheers. So that your chi and those entities of powers in your family, the individuals, they are the one that will help you. For the fact that you have done sacrifice for us, let us reveal to you what is deeper that you don't know. Example, if you're somebody that respects your father, anytime he comes, you greet your father very well. After greeting your father, do give respect to your father, do the needful to your father, and your father is so happy with you. Your father can then call you, my son, if I come. There is something I want to tell you. Do you know why your father decided to open up? Because you have made him happy. Maybe you do something that gladdens his heart. And now because of that, it's okay. If I let me tell you this. It might reveal family secret or tell you what you don't know and what you must do in order to shine. The same thing is what is happening in the spirituality. Once you make your guide, your entities of powers from the ancestors happy, they might make it possible to reveal deeper things that is happening in your life that you don't even know. So therefore, what you must do is that after a Libya doing the alpha for you, review a lot of things, starting with your chi, because your chi goes up. Your chi first. Then going and goes down to your entities of power, your ancestors. After doing all those work, then ask the person, is there any other thing to be done? Then the person might do alpha again. Believe in me, some hidden things might be revealed. If there is any charm projected against you, and without destroying that charms, you might find it difficult for any favor work or any other work done in your name or in your favor to be successful. Because some of these charms is projected and backed by an entity of power that will halt whatever you are doing. So, in all senses, that if the person is doing work for you, and let the person do deeper alpha, if the person find out exactly if there is any spell cast upon you, maybe against you or against your family, the first thing to be done is to destroy that particular evil cast against you. That projection, that charm must be destroyed first. After destroying that charm, then the negative energy blocking your favor will be removed. Then you can now do other work in order to bring favor and open doors to yourself. Now, if a man was doing all this, following all those processes, now you want to go and look for, maybe you are buying all those favor things, awarded things. Believe in me, most of the times it will not work for you because there is a bigger problem on the road that need to be surmounted. Without surmounting those problems caused by prepared charms and projection, believe in me, you will never succeed. So, my brothers, I will ask you, if there is any work anybody have done for you with your success, never give up. What is important is consistency. Maybe you have not gone to the right person that will be able to do the deeper effort and know exactly what is really stopping you. And let me warn, never you to relax. When things are not happy to you, never relax. Never say, there's nothing, I have done what I should do. You are giving up. So never give up. Have a strong mind. Be consistent. If let me ask you one thing: if you are sick and you have not gotten a good health, will you just keep quiet? No. You will keep on visiting hospital to hospital till you get what you are looking for. So what I'm saying in essence is that whenever you have any issue, keep on searching. You can even use cola. Pray to your ancestors and their chi to guide you, to lead you to a real person a real dibia, a real called one that will help you to dig out your real solution and solve it. I'm still Ugochi Tubelu Oraifite. If you have any question, let me call my WhatsApp number 0805 7837672. Ugochi Tubelu Oraifite. You use that name to find me on Facebook. Then with my WhatsApp number, you can send any message. Let me help you so that you'll be able to destroy any negative energy on your part and be able to stand with your feet, then so that you will shine and favor will locate you once more. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of your day.